Hi guys, I'm Kelsey with Sutra Beauty, and today we're going to be taking you through the entire process with Sutra's brand new IR Straightening Brush 3.0. So stay tuned while we unbox this tool and show you guys how it works from start to finish. So this is the box that you're going to receive the product in. You just open it here at the front and it's going to look like this. It's such a pretty tool. So once you get your product out of the box and you get it plugged in, there's going to be a few different settings for you for your heat temperature settings. You're just going to press down on the on button for a few seconds until you see a light light up, and then you can just push the button multiple times until you get to your desired temperature. So this product comes with 5 different temperature options for you. The highest one's going to be 450, and if you want to change it, you just press on this button. As the temperature changes to different ones, you can just stop pressing at your desired temperature. So for today, we're going to be showing you at the 450 temperature setting so that we can get a super sleek, shiny look. So now that I have my temperature on where I like it, it's going to heat up and it'll only take a few minutes. So this product has tourmaline-infused titanium heated bristles, which is super good on the hair. It works really well, and it's safe for all hair types. This product also includes Ionic infused grip bristles for added shine for your hair, and with all the different types of things that it includes, it's still a super lightweight tool. Sutra is super awesome because they are also known for their infrared collection of different types of tools, which safely heats your hair from the cuticle from the inside out. So it's really good and it's safe on all hair types. Another really cool setting that this tool includes is an automatic shut-off time. So if you're forgetful like me, I usually never remember to turn off my hot tools after I'm done using them. But if you do forget, this has a 60-minute automatic shut-off. So I'm just gonna grab about an inch section from the back and move from the back to the front. You're just gonna put the brush into the hair and slide down slowly until you get your desired straightness. Look at how shiny and easy that was. The infrared technology with these tools also seals the cuticle from the inside out, which then ends up leaving your hair feeling more healthy after using hot tools, which is not something you're gonna find with your typical hot tool. I also love how easy it is to use this tool. It is definitely not only for professionals. It's easy enough to use in the comfort of your home, even if you have no idea what you're doing with hair. This is such an easy, fun tool to use to get a super straight, sleek, and soft, healthy look. And it also will reduce the amount of time that you typically would use straightening your hair. So it's super awesome and super easy to use. Also, if you're a hairstylist and you want to use this tool, it features a 9-foot cord, so you have tons of space to use this while moving around in the salon. So this product is obviously super easy to use. What I loved about it was how it really combs through your hair as it's straightening, so you are left with like a really soft finish. It also has no frizz after you're using it, which is really helpful. I love the look of this tool, all the little details and the color. I just love rose gold, you know, obviously is so in right now, and it looks so pretty on all of your home tools. So this is definitely a product that you guys all need to get your hands on, you guys will all love. Another super neat feature that this tool includes is that these bristles around the Ionic infused titanium bristles don't get hot, so if you're putting it all the way against your scalp or you're anywhere near your ear, you're not gonna burn yourself because these are protecting you from that. So this tool is so awesome, you guys have to try it out. If you guys wanna shop this product, go to sutrabeauty.com. Happy holidays!